Namaskar, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cosmic Yoga Studio. Hope everyone is doing good. Let's kick off today's session. Today, we'll try to explain the science behind chakras located in human body. Asanas are a kind of exercise by regular practice of which the body stays healthy and hardy, and many diseases can be cured. For a yoga enthusiast, before starting asanas, it's very important to understand chakras and their position inside human mechanical structure. Many of you sitting in this class might be wondering, why do we need to know all these chakras and blah blah blah? Why don't we directly come to the point and start practicing asanas and meditation? But let me tell you, if you can recall your school or college days, first you had to go through theory sessions. Once theories are clear, you used to do practical sessions. Hence, your experiments used to become simple, isn't it? Or someone present here in their school days first you to do practical session and then we're attending theory classes. If anyone, then raise your hand, please. Okay, so I see none, isn't it? In the same way, for doing yoga, we have to get few basics cleared and then move on to practicals, which are asanas and meditation. So any queries? So if no queries, then let's move on. Now we'll try to understand the science of chakra, plexus, and various glands and subglands associated with that. Chakra is a Sanskrit term, while plexus is a Latin term. Besides the main nerve centers at the point of each chakra, there are also subcenters where subglands are located. These subglands influence and control the propensities attached to each chakra. For spiritual enhancement, meditation is a must. And in meditation, the role of chakra is immense. In fact, the most important aspect of meditative practice is chakra shodhan and chakra niyantran. Now we'll try to understand two words we just heard. The first one was chakra shodhan. So the process of purification of chakra, which is important aspect of meditation, that is chakra shodhan. And chakra niyantran is the process of controlling the chakras, which is also important aspect of spiritual practice. In humans, the chakras are situated at the intersecting points of Ida, Sushumna and Pingala nadis, which are also called psycho-spiritual channels. In the human mind, various thoughts are constantly emerging and dissolving. Behind these psychic phenomena are the underlying vrittis, which are primarily related to inborn sanskaras of human beings. Propensities are formed according to one's inherent sanskaras, and the expression and control of these propensities are developed upon the various chakras. The 50 main propensities of the human mind are expressed internally or externally through the vibrational expression of these chakras. The names of the different plexi in the human body and their corresponding mandals are Turanian plexus, which is called Mooladhara Chakra. It is related to Bhauma Mandal. Fluidal plexus, which is Swadhisthana Chakra. It is related to Tarala Mandal. Igneous plexus, which is Manipur Chakra, which is related to Agni Mandal. sidereal plexus, which is Anahat Chakra, which is Nakshatra Mandal. Next one is solar plexus, which is Vishuddha Chakra, associated with Saura Mandal. Then next one is lunar plexus, which is Agya Chakra, and it is related to Chandra Mandal. The Sanskrit word mandala means circle. The thyroid gland is called Brihaspati Granthi in Sanskrit. The Latin equivalent for Brihaspati is Jupiter. Hormone is Granthi Rasa in Sanskrit. The parathyroid gland is Brihaspati Upgranthi. The pituitary gland is Mahayogini Granthi, and the pineal gland is Sahasrar Granthi. The chakras contain within their folds a number of glands and subglands, the seeds of different propensities, each with an acoustic root. Now we'll try to see each chakras one by one. The first one is the Turanian plexus or Mooladhara Chakra. What is the location of Mooladhara Chakra? The midpoint of the last vertebra of the spinal column is a nerve center. This is the central point of the Mooladhara Chakra. The whole body is balanced on this chakra. It has 4 vrittis or propensities associated with it. So the first one is dharma, which is psycho, spiritual longing. The acoustic root for this is va. Earth, which is psychic longing. The acoustic root for this is sha. Kama, which is physical longing. The acoustic root for this is sa. Moksha, spiritual longing. The acoustic root for this is sa. The second one is the fluidal plexus or Swadhisthana Chakra. What is the location of Swadhisthana Chakra? The Swadhisthana Chakra is situated on the spinal cord directly behind the root of the genital organ. It has 6 propensities associated with it. Avajina, which is belittlement of others. The acoustic root associated with this is ba. Murcha, which is lack of common sense. The acoustic root associated with this is bha. Prashraya, which is indulgence. The acoustic root associated with this is ma. The next one is avishwas, which is lack of confidence. The acoustic root associated with this is ya. Sarvanash, thought of sure annihilation. The acoustic root associated with this is ra. And the final one is krurata, cruelty. The acoustic root associated with this is la. That's all we have today for our theoretical session. We'll see remaining chakras in our next session. Hope this session was useful. Thank you all for joining. Have a blissful morning. Namaskar.